Morning student. Today I will teach you animal life. The animal world consists of different types of animals from the tiny ants to the mighty elephant. The surroundings in which animals live, feed, reproduce and survive is called their habitat. Different animals adapt in different way to their habitat. Some of the ways by which animals adapt themselves to their habitat include body covering, mode of respiration, eating habit, movement, means of survival or protection. First, body covering. The body covering is of animals are adapted according to the environment in which they live. First, feathers. The bodies of birds are covered with feathers. Feathers help them birds to keep their body warm in winter and help them to fly. Second, fur and wool. Animals like sheep are covered with wool which keeps their body warm. Polar bears and Arctic fox have a thick fur which protect them from extreme cold. Hair. The bodies of most mammals like monkey, horse, human beings are covered with hair. Hair helps to keep the body warm. Shell. Animals like snail, turtle, covering covering called shell. It protects them their soft bodies from injuries and from being attacked by their enemies. Scales. The bodies of fishes and reptiles are covered with scales. The tiny overlapping scales do not let water enter the bodies. Other body covering. Porcupine have sharp spines of their body to protect them against their enemies. Mode of respiration. Animals to breathe in order to survive. During the process of breathing, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is taken out. First, lungs. Lungs help animals to absorb oxygen present in the air. The air enters the animal's body through its nostrils, which are connected to the lungs by breathing tubes. Skin. Some animals, such as earthworms, do not have special breathing organs like lungs and gills. They breathe through moist skin. Gills. Aquatic animals like fish and tadpoles have special breathing organs called gills. Body holes. Insects breathe in oxygen present in air through small holes on both sides of their body. These holes are called spiracles. Eating habits. First, animals eat different kinds of food to stay alive. Herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Cow, deer and giraffe are the example of herbivores. Carnivores. Animals which eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores like lion and tiger. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. Example, human beings, crow, ducks, etc. Next, movement. Animals move from one place to another in order to find food and water, look for resting place or to build their homes to protect themselves from enemies. First, movement of aerial animals. Birds and insects have walk on land as well as fly in the air. They fly in the air with the help of wings. In birds, their forelimbs are modified into wings. Movement of terrestrial animal. Most terrestrial animals have four well-developed limbs which help them to move on land. The front limbs of terrestrial animals are called forelimbs and the back limbs are called the hind limbs. Movement of aquatic animals. Aquatic animals have streamlined bodies which help them swim, and whales have special structures called fins which help them to swim. For survival and protection. Animals have special ways to protection themselves from extreme climatic condition and from attack by large animal and hunters. The different ways in which animals protect themselves and survive in their habitat are: first is migration. Migration takes place when many animals of a species move from one place to another to escape unfavorable conditions. Hibernation. Certain animals sleep or rest during the winter month when it is very cold and difficult to find food. This is called hibernation. Mammals such as bear, squirrel and mice hibernate. These hibernating mammals eat a lot of food in summer and store body fat which lets them during winter. Number and size. Many animals like elephant, deer, zebra move around forest together in herds. The adult animals protect the young ones in the herd. Next, color or pattern. Many animals protect themselves by blending into their surrounding. They either change color or have natural colors and patterns which enable them to blend into their surrounding. Weapons. Many animals use their body parts like weapons to protect themselves from their enemies. Deer protect themselves by using their horns and antlers. Thanks a lot.